Okay, good to see everyone here. Okay, 28th of January, 10 a.m. right now. Let's go through the market right now. Okay, let's go to S&P first. Okay, S&P index. This is the S&P index. Last week, I think last week we were here. Okay, we are still here. Okay, we are still at the trend line here. Okay, after the drop, okay, I think there is a rebound. Okay, there's a rebound back to this line over here. Okay, I think these few days will be quite important. Okay, quite critical. Okay, so let's zoom in a bit. Okay, we can see from here that the resistance, okay, is actually this line over here at 2677. Okay, which is this peak over here. So we have this peak over here followed by a drop. Okay, and right now the peak is formed again over here. Okay, y'all see this one? The previous time when the peak was broken, it was here. Okay, can you see here? It was broken and then it ran up to here. Okay, right now another peak is formed. Okay, another peak is formed over here at this point here. Okay, so the level is about 2677. Okay, so this is the resistance for the, this is a smaller resistance for the on the daily charts. Okay, the smaller resistance for daily charts is over here. Okay, if you go into the weekly charts, okay, if you go into the weekly charts, the bigger resistance I think is still here. Okay, this is the bigger resistance. Okay, if let's say example, the next few weeks we can maintain below this high, 1, 2, 3, then this line will go down to here. You all follow what I'm saying? So let's say example, if this is the highest point, okay, if this is the highest point, and then after this day we have 3 weeks, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, 3 weeks lower than this point, then this line will go down to here in 3 weeks time. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, currently the smaller resistance, okay, it is this level over here. Okay, this 2677. Okay, in the event that it can go, it go higher. If the event it go higher, then we still need that 1, 2, 3 drop, right? Something like over here. Okay, we need that 1, 2, 3 drop for the price to go back down to here. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so for example, we have resistance over here, we have this high over here, we need 1, 2, 3 drop, and the candle will go up here. Similarly over here. Okay, so what does it mean to you? What does it mean to you is very simple. Minor resistance is 2677. The bigger resistance currently is still at this level. Okay, in 3 weeks time, if it remain below here, then the resistance will go down to here. That's what this what I'm trying to say right now. Okay, so if we go into the charts, okay, we can still draw the downtrend line. Okay, we can still draw the downtrend line, but barely, okay, it's barely the downtrend line. So if this flip over to the other side, okay, above 2677, if it's go above here, okay, that means whatever short we have for position trade, it will cover also. Okay, this is what we should do. Okay, so at the current moment, the current trend is the correct trend. The current trend is still on this. We can still draw the downtrend line. Okay, this is a smaller downtrend line. That means this downtrend line should hold. Okay, until a point where it breaks above the downtrend line. Like example here. Okay, it breaks above the downtrend line. Then we start to go cover our short. If you want to go long, you can go long. Okay, but for now, it's still not yet. Okay, haven't flipped over to the other side yet. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so the bias right now is still down because of this downtrend line. Okay, we don't know whether it's going to go down or whether it will flip over the other side. Like over here, it flip over the other side, and it's come up. Do you follow what I'm saying? So Tianliang right now, right, at this moment, here, we are still on down until it can flip over the other side. But this line is established already. Can you see? Oh, same thing over here is established already. Okay? Any question? Okay, let's go to the Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index is quite interesting. Okay. Okay, so for this is Hang Seng Index on the weekly charts. Okay, by the way, just let me show you it's like that. Okay, can see? Oh, okay. So right now it's like that. This is on the weekly charts. On the daily charts, it's like that. Oh, okay. So right now it's broken the so-called the W. Okay, this W shape is broken up. Okay. So wait for confirmation. So from let's say I draw this line, right? So now wait for this to happen. If you want to go long, okay, if you want to go long, is wait for this to happen. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Similarly for the S&P, okay? Similarly for S&P, we need to wait for this to happen in order to go long. Okay, for this part, right, is only for cutting. If you say you are short, this is to cover your short. To go long is you must wait for this to go up this way. Okay, so only when it go up this way, it can go by around, maybe by around here. Okay, so this will be the level to look at. Okay, similarly just now for the previous chart. Okay, if you want to go long, okay, what you want to look for is what you want to look for is the line. Okay, this is the line. So right now, not the time to go long yet until, okay, if we have this, okay, if we have this and this. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So if you want to go long, then the long, when you want to go long, the time to enter is here. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, I will strongly encourage you all don't anticipate. That means don't anticipate it will clear. Okay, why? Because this move down is very, very big. Okay, it's very, very strong. Okay, so yeah, so it may not go this way. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, it is something like over here. If you see here, okay, after this shape is formed, it breaks up, come back down, and then you can long around here. Same thing. Okay. But at this moment, we are like here, so please don't anticipate. Okay, if any case, it should be careful. Okay, here. Do you follow what I'm saying? Any question on S&P chart or the Hang Seng Index? Okay, if you see news, right? If you read news, okay, the shutdown has more or less done. Okay. The trade war, more or less, now we're talking less about it. They say they are talking about it. And we have also, now we want to look at is the earnings, okay? And you see the earnings compared to the last quarter, the earning this quarter, result has been mixed, okay? Not so good compared to the previous time, okay? In fact, they have been lowering down their estimates. Okay, so S&P, what you do is right now don't do anything. Okay, don't do anything right now. Okay, wait. Okay, this is if the current trend change trend. Okay, if the current trend is the correct trend, that means it continue to go down, then you should look for still to sell. Okay. Do you all know what I'm talking about? Okay, so this is the scenario like this. Okay, can you all see here? This is a scenario like this. Okay, and if we go to weekly charts. Okay, the other scenario, okay, the other scenario is like this. Okay, it's like this. Okay, this one I mentioned in the Facebook group before. Okay, daily charts. Okay, so the other scenario is like that. Okay, that means from here. Okay, that means after it touch, reverse and then down. Okay, or even you can drag a bit lower. Okay, reverse and then down. Okay, so the current trend is correct trend. Okay, the current trend, if we can draw a downtrend line, is correct. It means you should follow this trend down. Okay, do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so the current trend right now in the S&P is still like that. Okay, it haven't flipped over yet. Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay, I think we will know soon. Understand? Okay, this one I posted in the Facebook group before. Okay. In my view, right, current trend is correct trend. Current trend is downtrend. We should still follow its downtrend. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay. And if you go and look at it long term, if you look at the long term, it makes more sense. Okay, look at this. Okay, guys, look at this. If you look at it long term, okay, then you make more sense. Okay, so from here, we have this huge drop over here. Okay, okay, versus let's say example when it was here. This one is above the 50 MA, whereas this one is below the 50 MA. So even though this one rebound and go up, right? This one rebound is harder to go up. Why? Because if you zoom in, you can see the MA are all here. Okay, so the pressure is still on the down. Do you follow what I'm saying? The MA are still sloping up. They're sloping down this way. Got it? Okay. So to answer Kiang Kyong thing is we are still holding to our shots, okay? If you are shorting, okay? Any question? Any question? Okay, if not, then next one is NASDAQ. Okay, this NASDAQ chart, okay? So NASDAQ chart is a bit different. Okay, you can see from this here, the trend line, this is downtrend line. Okay, it has broken the downtrend line, okay, and rebound from this downtrend line. Can you see here? So it's broken and then rebound from this downtrend line. So the MA, you see the weekly MA is starting to slope up. Okay, if you go to weekly charts still the same. Okay, weekly chart is still the down, but compared to the daily charts, this one compared to S&P, this one is actually more bullish right now because we have this breaking of this downtrend line, pull back to retest the downtrend line and starting to curl up again. Okay, any question? Okay, if not, then okay, so if you want to do position trade, okay, so split into two, position trade and swing trade. Okay, so if you want to do position trade, then you wait, okay, wait for it to have a confirmation, break above this resistance, okay, then we will have an arrow, okay. So if you zoom in, if it breaks above this resistance, then the arrow will appear, okay. So you are doing position trade will be like that, Okay, if you're doing swing trade, then it is still if you're doing swing trade, then it's still wait. Okay, why? Because when you're doing swing trade, 20, 40 MA still haven't sloped up yet. Yes or no? Okay, so depending on your time frame, if you're doing position trade, you should be waiting. If you're doing swing trade, also wait. Both also wait. Okay, position trade, you're waiting for it to break out. Swing trade, you're waiting for it to come back down, the MA sloping up this way. Got it? Any question? No question. Let's weekly short. Okay, weekly short is looking for this. Right now, haven't triggered. That's why I say very important to have trigger. Okay, very important to have trigger. Okay, price. This is the move down. Yes. Okay, this is the move down, and this is the move up. So we zoom out here. Okay. So right now, this is a 20 MA. When the CCI go high, wait for trigger. Okay, so trigger, you can weekly swing, you can look for the previous low. So here, can you see? Not yet, because it didn't break the previous low. Not yet, didn't break the previous low. Not yet, still not yet lah. Okay, until it break the previous week low, then it will be a swing trade sell. At the current moment, the swing trade sell will be here. Okay, around 2580 and below. That will be our swing trade sell. Okay. So it depends on your time frame again. Okay. In my opinion, it's better to sell than buy. Okay. And this one we can be wrong. Okay, my opinion is always better to sell and buy than buy, because the trend is still downtrend. Okay, let's go to let's go to let's go to Shanghai. Okay, I go to Shanghai market first, then I later go SM, then I go to so go to this one. Okay, this is the week daily charts. Okay, on China. Okay, China market. This is the daily charts, and this is the weekly charts. Okay. Any question? Self-explanatory. Okay. Correct now. So the daily charts, maybe just to add one more thing, the daily charts, the downward momentum has slowed down. Okay. The downward momentum has slowed down. Okay. But it's still on downtrend. Okay. You see that this part, right? Starting to go up already. Okay, so for speed again, okay, for position trade, right now, do nothing. Okay, position trade cannot go long, cannot go short. There's a green arrow here, but not very strong. For swing trade, nothing much also, because the price is like that. It's not clear trend. Okay, it's not uptrend. For weekly swing, okay, you can do weekly swing, price going up here into the doji. Okay, wait for it to break below the low to swing it down this way. Down. Okay? Got it? If we go below the low. Okay? So, any question? Okay, let's do a screener. Okay, so at this market right now, it's like a waiting market, right? No long, no short. What should we do? think best is to see this week what happened to S&P, because S&P is like there, okay? Resistance is very close, okay? So I think it's best to wait for S&P to have more confirmation, okay? If this one is confirmed, okay, like Nasdaq, okay, then we can look for long. But long at this moment, wow, scary, okay? But that is the long, okay, here. Okay, so I think that will be the better trade later part. Okay, that means this line must go into this way, and this line must go this way. Or then we go into a long swing position. Okay. If not, then let's look at your stocks, or you want me to do a screener? Okay, let's look at your stocks. Okay, screener. Okay, let's look at screener. Okay, so screener, I think long may not have a lot also. Let me see. Nasdaq. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq ranked by month. Okay. Okay, month we have Momo over here. Okay, this is Momo. This stock is a very tricky one. Okay, so there is a strong impulse here. Can you see? Oh, there's a strong impulse here. But this stock is tricky. I feel. Okay, quite a lot of gaps. Okay, can you see? And we have things like that. Break up and then fail. Okay, so when you see charts like that, break up and fail, then you need to be more careful. Okay, like here also, you see, break up and then fail. Okay, so this stock is quite tricky one. Okay, can you all see that? Oh, so over here. Okay, so at this moment, I may not be so keen. Okay. Next, Micron. Okay, Micron has an impulse over here. Let's take a look. Okay, so short definitely should cover, right? But let's take a look. Okay, I think this Micron is not bad. Okay, look at this. Okay, can you see Micron MU like that? Oh, can see? Okay, so depending on your trading time frame, if your trading time frame is position trade, if you're doing position trade, what you want to look for is a break of this high. Please don't anticipate, okay? A break of this high to confirm of the arrow. This arrow here, if you break above this high, it will be higher, okay? So you break above this high, then will confirmation of position long. Okay, because you look backwards, once it have a long arrow, usually it will run. Okay, first arrow, usually it run. But important part is to wait for it to have a real breakout. Okay, so I think this is not bad. Okay, for MU position trade. For swing trade, you want to wait for it to pull back. Okay, wait for it to pull back into my MA, then I buy. Okay, got it for MU. Okay, I think this level, right, is important to clear first. Okay, guys, this 39 plus is important to go above first. Okay, the reason is very simple, because this is support, resistance. So here will be resistance. Okay, so it's important that we clear this high before we go in. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay. Let's go for short. We have too long, right? Let's go for short. Okay, short is the reverse. We have this one. Okay, this is down but not very strong. Okay, this is a sideways trend stop, so no need to see. Okay, sideways trend, no need to see. I think that's it. Okay, not much short also. Okay. Okay, let's go into your stock swing long for NVDA, 3 to 5 days. Okay, it's building a base. Okay, swing trade. Swing trade. Not yet. Okay, not yet, because need for it to, and the second thing is this up is very measured. Okay, you see, it's very controlled. Okay, so wait for it to come back down. I think better. Okay, FB actually swing already. Can you see here, up, down? Okay, this price never dropped to my 20 MA, but it dropped to my 10 MA. Okay, so if you use a 10 MA, then you see it dropped down to my 10 MA. This one actually long already. Or 3 to 5 days, yeah, if you are in, you can look for it to sell around maybe here on the next resistance. Got it? Yes, okay. From us, do we turn the 2040 MA on for position trade? Correct. So when you do position trade, your trend must also be with you. Okay, the trend must also be with you. That means the downtrend you look for short, uptrend you look for long. Make sense or not? Okay. Next one is WWE. Well, you're all now on to buy. Okay, so this one is what? Swing trade, is it? Position trade. Okay, position trade. I think not bad. Position trade. Okay, this is position trade. First arrow. This is only like first arrow. I think just entered recently. Oh, but guys, I still not so for the idea of, I may be wrong, or the idea of going aggressively long here. Okay, I don't think we should go long here, even though right now things are getting slightly more bullish, but I'm still not keen to go long here because of the big move down in when was that? Because of the big move down until December last year. Okay, that's why you see a lot of stocks is going to like 50% retracement. Even the S&P is 50% retracement also. Okay. Okay, so just to share with you all, I'm not so keen to go long here because of the big drop. Weekly chart is clearer. Okay, weekly chart is clearer. Okay, so right now, if you do the Fibonacci, right, actually we are right now around the 50% retracement level. Oh, so it's like a 50-50. Oh, you get what I mean? it's like a 50-50 here, okay? So, yeah, I wouldn't be so keen to go long right now, okay? Or for that matter, add-on short right now, I'm also not so keen also because it's a 50-50. I will look for more confirmation if it can go down, okay? If it can go down back to my break below my low here, okay, I will look for it to go down. Or if it go up and test back this down, then I will look for long, okay, which is later. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. Any other question? If not, let's call it a day. This week, I think quite. We will wait and see. Okay. I will put up if the S&P move. I will put up on the Facebook. Okay. I promise you when the S&P move, I will put out Facebook and STI. Last one, okay. Okay, so this one is last time I draw one. Okay. I think I draw because of break high. So that, okay, so right now, this thing happened already. Okay, this U shape last time happened already, and right now, same lah. Okay, all the same. Okay, all is the same. So if you are doing swing trade, okay, short-term 5 days trade, you may have done a pullback and rebound here. Oh, can you see CCI low, a rebound here? That will be using a 10 MA. Okay, using a 10 MA to long. Okay, position trade. We have the first arrow here. Okay, but at this first arrow, which is this candle, right? Let's draw this one. At this first candle, if you look into the weekly charts, it's still downtrend, okay, on this candle. Okay, it's still long-term trend, it's still downtrend. So not so good, okay? So remember, we talk about position trade, you must always check your 20/40 MA on the weekly charts. Okay, when you do position trade, you see here on daily charts, this trader GPS has buy signal. But if you go to weekly charts, it is still downtrend. Okay, so not advisable. Okay. Okay. So if not, thank you very much. I hope I can show you more exciting thing this week, but the market is just like that right now. Okay. So when it become more exciting, then I will mention. Okay. So next thing is tonight got quarterly meeting. Okay, if you can make it, please come and join us. As far as possible, we want to accommodate everyone. Okay, for this quarterly meeting this week. Okay, we only have it once a quarter, so if you can, please try to make it. Register. Remember to register online. Okay, it's at Trading Place. Okay. The location is at Trading Place. The post, I think, is on FB already. If it's full house already, then we will put up, we record it down. Okay, record it down and maybe put it on Facebook Live. At the same time, also record it down for those who miss it. Okay? If not, then see you tonight. Bye.